fan inducer motor comes on. Then it's running operator. Then what should happen next is our igniter should come on. After igniter comes on, it's going to sense the flame when the flame comes on. The igniter, then the flame. This fan inducer's making sure that carbon monoxide is going to come out. Obviously, you have your gas valve that's going to engage once the igniter comes on. You'll hear it click in a minute. There it is. So it's dirty, but it's working. And I can see, maybe you can see inside of there, that one looks decent, but I imagine it probably needs to be clean. But it seems like it's sensing the heat. There it is. Gas valve kicks on. Heat is sensing. Now the fan is going to kick on. It's the new fan we just replaced the other day. Fan is going to kick on.